Welcome to our newest listing in Maitland, Florida. This is a gorgeous, completely renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. This looks like a smaller home from the outside, but it's actually almost 1,800 square feet. So it is pretty spacey once you get inside. And as you can see, it has been completely renovated in 2023. This kitchen is absolutely stunning. Everything has been touched in this home. Most of the bedrooms are on the right side of the home, so this is the front bedroom. This would also make a fantastic office, lots of windows here, and actually this home is all completely light and bright. There's tons of windows, tons of natural light that floods into this home. And this is the Jack and Jill bathroom that connects the first and second guest bedroom. These rooms are a fantastic size and they all have walk-in closets. And back through the living space, you can walk onto the back right bedroom, which this is your master and this is your ensuite, which is absolutely stunning. 2 sinks, 2 shower heads, enough space for anyone. And then there is this bedroom to the left here. It is also very oversized. This would make a fantastic second den, office space, but it can also be a bedroom because it does have a closet. Coming back through the living space, you can access your slider doors to the outside. This is a great screened in porch with views to the backyard, which is fully fenced. This sits on almost 1/3 of an acre, so there is a ton of space for a pool or anything else you could imagine in your backyard. Another fantastic perk of this home is this mudroom that connects the garage to the living space. Not only does this have your washer and dryer that stay with the home, but tons and tons of storage. Call me if you want this Maitland home to be yours. Bye.